killers. Who shot, I don't remember. That bitch off coke, remember. Fuck hoes, the Bryce and Tiller. Make free codes, bite the pillow. I cut coke.
A stunt driver hit me up, yo Sean, I need a GoPro. I said, all right, bet, I got you, gang. I start browsing on Facebook Marketplace looking for a GoPro, and this lady said give her an hour and she gonna be home so I could go pick up the GoPro. An hour goes by and she stops responding, gang. So I literally just wasted my whole day waiting on this lady to get a GoPro for my stunt driver who trying to make a YouTube channel to go crazy for y'all, bro. So that's what my stunt driver waiting on, is for that GoPro to start that channel so he could show y'all how wiki he really get on these streets, you feel me? But with that being said, nonetheless, as y'all can tell by today's title and thumbnail, we are officially putting an intake in our Hellcat. Finally, bro, finally. I'm excited. I hope y'all excited. If y'all excited, make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications if you haven't yet already so you don't miss an upload, gang. You don't want to miss these uploads because this summer we're putting belt to ass, you feel me? But yeah, bro, it's been 2 years and I haven't put an intake on a car. I'm excited to see what it sounds like. We are tuned, we're catless, everything. So I'm excited to see how loud the wine gonna be on the car. And I can't wait to show y'all. I can't wait to hear that shit, bro. Like, I'm excited, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But we got an hour drive. We got an hour and 30-minute drive. So with that being said, let's go head down to the Hellcat. Grab these red keys. Red key, red key, red key. And we out, let's do it. All right, YouTube, so package is secure. I just finished leaving out of Summit, but it looked like it's finna storm. As y'all can see, it looked like it's finna storm real bad. So with that being said, I need to hurry up and get home. So I'll probably end up finishing this video tomorrow. I don't know, but as y'all can see, package is secured, as y'all can see.
Way too much of the motion, you riding the wave, you might get sick. I got a bad bitch rolling and going, one shot of the bottle, she sucking the dick.
All right, y'all, so right now I'm finna get y'all before and after of how the car sounds versus without the intake versus with the intake. And I ain't gonna lie, I think it's gonna be loud regardless, I ain't gonna lie. But we finna put it to the test. We're gonna see how much louder the wine gonna get, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood. I'm gonna pop the hood real quick, pop the hood for y'all. And we're gonna rev the car a little bit just to see like how loud it gets. Ooh, that been purring. Y'all hear that shit? Ooh, that wine is sounding nasty, bro. I cannot lie, like, oh my gosh. This is just a stock intake, so when we put this other intake on it, the shit is finna sound like chef's kiss. Today is currently the next day. Time to work on this Hellcat and take this intake out and put the new one in. Time to look at some YouTube tutorials, and after a couple YouTube tutorials, I'll cut y'all back on. Installation settings. Yeah, who needs that? We finally got the Corsa intake. There's no more intake right there. I got an old intake. That bit kind of louder. Oh shit, nigga, what? Nigga, that whine is loud. I wonder what it sound like if I'm just on it, going through gears. First gear. You scared?
Yeah.
You scared of? You gotta be scared. Nigga, do you know what speed we just hit? Nigga, I could have sworn I seen like something, bro.
That's crazy.
Like that.
That was fast.
Like
trying to clutch the seat. I'm trying not to scream.
Like that. Line that shit up, nigga.
I just made it home off that fun ass drive. And gang, that bitch is stupid, bro. Like, I gotta listen to the video back to see like how good the audio picked up the line. But like in person, complete different story. What's the next model in the car? Either wide body kit or upper load pulley. I know y'all want the wide body kit, so that's what I'm aiming for. The only thing that's stopping me from getting the wide body put on the Cat right now is the fact that I do not have wheels. I'm looking for some wheels. I actually have these wheels. Come walk with me, man. I actually have these wheels, but I only got 2 of them. Yeah, I don't know where the other 2 at. I got these wide body wheels, but I don't know where the other 2 at. So the wide body kit is just sitting in my garage. As soon as I find some wheels, and I'm not trying to pay 2 bands for wheels, so as soon as I find some wheels, I will let y'all know. It's currently another day, and I know y'all ready for me to start working on my BMW. I've been seeing the comments, and we finna start working on the BMW soon. Right now though, it got a flat tire, so I'm not able to change the tire because I don't have a low profile jack because the car sits extremely fucking low. So with that being said, I was on Facebook Marketplace, you feel me? I'm a Facebook Marketplace demon, I ain't gonna lie. So I was browsing, I see me a low profile jack for $100. I say, okay, cool. So we finna go pick up this low profile jack, and then we're gonna change the tires on my BMW so I could go ahead and get my alignment, get my title for it, and all things like that, etc. So we could go ahead and start fixing up the car, because the car does drive, it just needs a lot of work. Like everything in that car is falling apart. We don't got no roof, no rear view mirror, the AC barely work, it got coolant issues, the whole 9 yards, but it still drives, which is the best part about it, is it still drives. So I'm not too mad at it. I did take the windshield tint off of my Hellcat, as y'all could see. I still got some glue up there, so I gotta go to the parts store to go ahead and remove the rest of it, because I bought a whole bunch of cleaning supplies, but I don't have a razor, and it'll go like 20 times faster with a razor, bro. So if you're trying to remove your windshield tint, get a razor and some Windex, and just it'll come right off, bro. But I didn't have that. I was just using a rag, and yeah, that shit taking too long, I ain't gonna lie. All right, YouTube, so we just pulled up to get the jack, and he got an F82, bro. If y'all know, but I highly want one.
Oh, that's just stage 2.
Stage 2 too.
I'm saying, if you're stuck, I mean, unless you're hitting 1,000, I don't think you got me, bro.
Nah, I ain't hitting 1,000.
Yeah.
Hell nah, not yet.
Cause I was gonna say, this shit right here is probably about I don't know.
It's the weight. Like, it's the weight too.
Yeah, it's about, about 600 pounds lighter, I think.
Damn, if y'all know, I've been highly wanting an F82, bro. I don't know. I think it's about that time. Very soon. Like, this is a clean ass build, bro. I'm not gonna cap, bro. He just made me want to get a G82, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like his build was so clean, bro. I gotta get a G82, bro. Like, that shit looks beautiful. All right, I'm blazing, bro. I love Hellcats, bro. If we go crazy this summer, or even potentially before that, if we keep going crazy, bro, potentially a G82 might be coming to the fleet, bro. Potentially. It gotta make sense, bro. You feel me? It gotta make sense. So with that being said, I need y'all to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on my post notifications so you don't miss an upload, and yeah, bro. Damn, nigga, that G82 is hard. All right, y'all, quick little update, man. I got the tools I needed. I got the razor that I needed to take the tint off the tint glue off the car, and we made a lot of progress so far, bro. I don't know if y'all could tell, but we made a lot of progress, but we still got hella work to do, bro. This shit really time consuming, but I'm gonna get it done. But we got the jack, we got everything we needed, so I'm finna head to the crib and change this tire. As y'all could tell, I'm very fucking defeated right now. I just changed my tires, and it's hot ass sun, and now we finna start the BMW. I know y'all wanna see that bit. Do I got snot coming down my nose? Nigga, I got snot coming down my nose. Bree working out. She trying to get thick. Look at her.
Y'all already see I'm already. Matter of fact, I'm not trying to get thick. I'm already thick.
Let me see some.
Trying to see something? I'm about to do my donkey kicks.
Let me see.
He got me doing 5 reps of them, y'all.
5 reps. Y'all don't know, I used to play sports and shit, so I'm giving her like a hardcore, not even hardcore, like a little something slight, you feel me? Let me see something, girl, go. Yeah, donkey kick. Feel the burn. See, that shit easy, right? Now wait till you get to the third set. Good luck, nigga. But we finna start the BMW. This the tire I had to change, y'all. I ain't know, but twin, we missing the lug nut, bro. I ain't know, but we just changed the tire. We still got the coolant problem where it's overheating. But it's cool though. I ain't tried this bitch yet, for real. Oh, it's hot. Oh, this seat hot as fuck. Ah. Ah.
It's hot.
Hell yeah. Ah. That seat burned my ass. Woo! Nigga, that air feels amazing. I just put in so much work, bro. I deserve to go for a little spin. Woo! Now, next up on this ticket to go get an alignment. Take it to go get an alignment. Oh. Yeah, they been moving again. Oh shit, bumper clot, oh, bumper clot. Look at me over there still working. That's what I like to see, girl. Yes, ma'am. Oh shit. Oh, I just slid that bit. I can't wait to get this shit done, bro. This shit slide like butter. I can't wait to get this shit done. I just want to let y'all know, I appreciate everybody that's watching my videos. Even though we're not where we want to be at right now, bro, we're gonna keep grinding and we're gonna keep growing, you feel me? Because every video we grow like 20-30 subscribers, bro. So I appreciate everybody who watched the videos, and I love y'all. With that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching me. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all boys in my next one. It's a banger. The next video is a banger, so y'all stay tuned, bro. Turn on post notifications. Y'all don't want to miss it. We out.
5, 6, 7, 8.